Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Python. Now get PyDev into Eclipse. Open Eclipse Marketplace, search for PyDev and install it, then restart Eclipse. Once done, you must register your Python interpreter. Go to Window, Preferences, PyDev, Interpreters, and add the Python executable path. You do this so Eclipse can resolve libraries and enable code completion. Make sure virtual environments are available. If you use Venv, point the interpreter to the Venv's Python executable so project isolation works correctly. You now create a PyDev project and link it to the interpreter you added. Choose File, New, PyDev Project, pick the interpreter and set project layout. Once created, set project-specific interpreter or virtualenv under project properties so dependencies remain isolated. Then configure Python path entries. Add src, libs, or site packages so imports resolve. Next, create a run configuration for your main script. Add arguments and environment vars, and set the working directory. This ensures runs and debugging match production behavior. You're ready to run and debug. Use run as to execute or debug as to step through your code. Set breakpoints and switch to the debug perspective to inspect variables and evaluate expressions. Once done, configure packaging or export settings if you need a distributable. If something goes wrong, first verify the interpreter path and that the chosen virtualenv is active for the project. Also make sure Python path includes your modules and check the console for stack traces. Those two checks solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.